Check out this bad boy. Okay, so follow it all the way over. They're all gonna be so jealous because they haven't caught anything native like big.
Ooh, baby. All right, let's go fishing, buddy. Let's go catch a big German brown, baby. Where do we want to go? You see any fish, bud? Do you? Show me where the fish are. I'll follow you. Come on. Let's go find some fish.
All right, time to clean the fish I got today. Woo-hoo. Check out this bad boy. Oh yeah. Alright, kind of curious what he was eating. Now he's just eating all kinds of, they're like the white little flies. It's weird, I had a white fly, but they weren't biting the white fly. It was too big, it didn't look, I'll have to show you tomorrow, but they were all over my leg. It's all of those little ones. And he's eating a lot of moss too. It's interesting. Next fish. Big boy. Check him out. Alright, I literally am so excited to eat these because on this trip all I've had is like stalkers. I'm not gonna eat them tonight. I'll put them in the fridge. So this one I caught more upriver. I caught a cutthroat too. Wasn't able to keep it because you can't keep cutthroat. So when I caught the fish, I made sure to bleed it really fast. So the meat is good. You just knock them out and then pull their gills, and so then the meat tastes fresh. I kind of got separated from my group. I got my brother, my grandpa, they all were trying to go to this, well they are going to this other spot because they wanted to find good fishing. And I was just like, I'm not gonna rush, so I was taking my time and came across some good fishing holes, man. Look at this fish, bro. Woo! They're all gonna be so jealous because they haven't caught anything native like big. I don't even think they caught anything native. All right, here is the official measurement, just so you guys can see. Let me pull that back just a hair. But his jawline's sticking out. Yeah, that's not up enough right there. Okay, so follow it all the way over. A little over 17.
I had to record this because it's insane. This beautiful trout. Look how big it is. Won't even fit in my pan. I'm gonna have to cut it. Look at the color. It literally looks like salmon. Man, I am so excited to try this. This is how I cook my trout now. I de-skin them. It's a really easy method. What's nice is like if you leave them in the fridge for a day or two, they don't get fishy because all of the skin is off of it. So I can't wait to cook it up. I'm gonna cook it up right now. All right, just cut the trout so I can fit it in my pan. I just put a regular salt and pepper blend on it. I'm not trying to take away too much of the flavor of the fish. Got myself some coffee. Cooking up my fresh fish, baby. I made these tables like a day before I left. And I like ordered them on Amazon. I had to order them to my dad's house because they got there faster. But I ordered these little folding mechanisms and made it into this little quick table. And oh my gosh, it's a lifesaver. Okay, let's add some final touches. It's looking delicious. Ooh, baby. Let's go. All right, let's see how Buddy likes the fish and hash browns. Buddy, you ready for some food? Okay, come here. You gotta let me know, okay? I need a review. Okay? All right, go let me know. Go ahead. Yeah? Oh yeah, you got the fish first, man. How is it, buddy? Good?
All right, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be heading up to Montana, get some more stuff. So hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment. Adios.